All right, so you want to learn how to put the blurred background in your videos, kind of like what I'm using right here, a nice little subtle blur to your background, also called a shallow depth of field, to make your videos pop and look a little bit more professional. Well, what I use is the cinematic mode on iPhone. Now, if you have an iPhone 13 and up, you can use it on that. I know some Androids have it as well. I'm sure all the newer ones have it. But let's just say you do not have the cinematic mode, or you have an Android that doesn't have that either. You can still put a blurred background on your video, and you can do it on your phone using CapCut. So I'm going to show you using CapCut how in editing you can put this shallow depth of field behind you and still make your videos look professional. All right, so I got my phone on me. I'm going to pull up the CapCut app. I'm going to click on the video I want to use. I already did a test one. And again, you can do this right on your phone, and this is still a video for YouTube, okay? And this is not a short, this is a long form video. So if you look right here, you can see my background. It's very clear. It looks, again, no cinematic mode. It's just a plain video. Still looks good, but it doesn't give me that pop. So what you're going to do in CapCut is you're going to go to the effects tab at the bottom after you add your video. You're going to go to video effects. You're going to search up blur. Once that loads up, it's the one that just says blur and it has kind of like a guy with a red shirt on it. You're going to click on that and you're going to see how my video now is completely blurred all the way. Okay, now I am going to turn that down just a little bit because we just want it to be subtle. We don't want it to be too much of a blur, but just a little blur so it'll pop. All right, now that's the whole video. Okay, now you're going to see it says main video. That's good because the main video is going to be blurred. I'm going to drag that and put it across the whole video, so all the way to the end, so it's all blurred. Now what I'm going to do, click out of that. I'm going to go to overlay. And I'm going to add that same video. So I'm going to add that same video, and it should already be all lined up. And I'm going to make sure it's the same size. Now I'm going to swipe over. Now there's an actual button on here that says remove BG, which is your background. So you're going to click on that. You're going to hit auto removal, and already right away it took away that background. And now you can see I have that shallow depth of field behind me. It makes my video look that much more professional. I'm going to show you the before and after. So right here, the first half of this video, you can see it's blurred, and you're going to see when it goes away, that's when right now it is no longer blurred, and now it is just a regular video. So that's that difference. Blur, no blur. Makes me pop a lot more, and all your focus is on me now. That's a quick little tip on how you add a blur to your background, especially if you don't have the cinematic mode. And again, you can do it right on CapCut in your phone, and it's a long video. This is not just a short. So I hope that helped, and if you guys want any more tips on how to make your videos look more professional using CapCut, put it in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to do a video on that. Also, if you want to see our style of videos that we've been doing recently, go over here and you can literally see all the things we use, including the phone we use, the mic we use, and the Osmo that we use. So go check that video out over here, and I'll see you there.